Hey everyone, this is Trey from Creative Society. Today I have another special video for you. In this one, we're going to use Photoshop to create this background spinning blur effect. So I'll show you how to separate the model from the background, how to apply the blur effect to the background, and then how to make refinements. So let's go.
This is Creative Society.
We are in Photoshop and here we're gonna import our photo. I have this shot from pixels.com. Select the background layer using Command J. We're gonna create a copy of this. In the contextual taskbar, hit remove background. Let's hide the top layer for a bit. And now on the background layer, we're gonna make a selection of the subject. I'm gonna use the pen tool for that. Then in the contextual taskbar, hit generative fill. Don't write anything, just hit generate. Let's choose the best generative fill layer. I feel like the first one is good. Select the background and the generative fill layer and hit Command E to merge them. Unlock the layer, turn this into a smart object. And now it's time for the blur. Go to filter, blur gallery, and select path blur. We're going to select the left and the right pin to be at the edges of the photo, and then click on the point in the center and just arch it a little bit. For the speed of the blur, I'm going to choose 100%, and I also have these settings applied. Awesome, hit OK. Now let's head to camera raw filter, and here under the optics menu, we're going to mess with the distortion, and I'm going to put it at 50. This creates some transparent margins, so we're going to have to hit Command T to resize this photo so that we can hide those edges. Wait for the transformation to occur, and now we can make the subject visible. It is good to just make the bottom part of the surface visible and only blur the elements that are further away in the background. Let's hide the background layer, and we notice that the selection of the subject has been done pretty roughly. Because of that, we're going to have to make refinements to the selection. For the best precision, I recommend using some kind of tablet to draw around the edges. In this video, I'm going to use my iPad. So if you have a Mac device, search for displays, hit this plus button, and then go to mirror or extend to your iPad. Alright, this looks much better. I'm also going to apply a filter or a preset on this photo with some grain in the background, something stylish, anything that you consider to be suitable for this kind of photo. And after all the edits, mine looks like this. That was all for this video. Go ahead, subscribe, like this video, turn on the bell notifications, post a comment if you have any observation or ideas for the next videos. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day.